Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch S2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Realme Link application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. Once the application opens, you will see the home page, and on it there should be a list of my devices, and on that list there should be your Realme Watch S2. Tap on it to select it. Now scroll through this page and find the button called Delete Device and tap on it. Then tap on Confirm. If you see this pop up, tap on Settings. It will redirect you to the settings on your iPhone. Here tap on Bluetooth. And here you have two Realme watches on the list of my devices. Or it could be one, but I have two. And it's possible to have two, so don't be weirded out that you have two of them. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, tap on Forget Device, and the same for the second one. And once you remove them, close the Bluetooth settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.